thing starts in literally 60 seconds. So let's see. I just got in. Let's see if we can get the Los Mateo. And then I believe that's all we need for we need the extinct Mateo for. Then we can put them all in here. This guy, and he'll turn them into the extinct grande. It's basically a grande but extinct. So normally the best thing spawns at the very beginning. So here we go. Yo, if we get this, I'm gonna be so happy. Make sure you guys are on at 5:30 p.m. because I'm gonna be doing a live. I'll also be doing a live on Saturday. I hope. See.
Extinct Tralalero.
Ooh, you got a Tralalero? Give it to someone. If you guys hear an alarm, don't matter.
Extinct Tralalero.
Look at his ribcage. That's sick. It's cool, but I'd rather want something else. Like the Mateo. You know? Oh yeah, I think I did find a way to counter. So you know when people get on top of the base? I found a way to counter it. So all of you won't be losing. You just need to get the counter always. So they go. I'm already up here. They try to shoot you down here. Nah, bro. And you can also get see? It's better or if you're on a base. If it's more see you should get onto the wall. I did not know you could do that. Okay. Right. So but yeah, that's a new way. Tell me if this guy helps you. Well, we're just gonna wait for this event to end to see if anything good spawns. No way, we got a new Vini Pizza Nini. Bro the human, right? Wait, bro the human. Y'all. I hate that. That's horrible. I might have to sell. Chara. Okay, we're gonna sell this. No, I don't. Just be quiet. And remember Charlie. You love Charlie. Okay, I gotta find a Charlie song. You gotta respect him. Charlie's on McDonald's. Yeah.
Charlie Kirk was married.
Okay, that's not it. That's not it. Okay, I got pop. Okay, here we go. So let's just take a silent piece. I help us.
Shot down and he was barely 31. Another woke coward took a life with a gun. He left behind a wife and a daughter and a son. All he did was try to speak for all of us. And I'm so tired of the hatred and the narratives. The patriots and dangerous woke people are the terrorists. They shot and killed the father, sent a message to Americans. They ain't gonna stop until they bury us. Dear Charlie, I don't know if you can see us now, but if heaven has a window, I sure hope you're looking down. Cause we ain't going quiet, we gon' scream your name loud. And you're gone, but I swear to God that we gon' make you proud. We ain't backing off or giving up, I'll preach what you taught me. They may have killed a soldier, but that man had an army. This is far more deep than some political parties. And you can't kill freedom, so this one is for Charlie. This ain't the America that all our parents love. A good man trying to think he making it great. Pray men die for the things that they say, and I can't just be quiet. So I gotta be brave, cause this is America. Lately it's scaring us, but one good man can change it all in a day. Killed in cold blood for having a discussion, and liberals are celebrating murder like it's justice. You didn't kill a villain or the evil that it comes with. You killed a father and a husband. And I'm so tired of the left and all the wokery. We can't get along if you just kill us when we don't agree. Sniper rifle fire from a liberal that no one sees. Scared I might be next to die when I'm just buying groceries. Charlie, we'll make sure your children know that defending all our freedom is why you aren't coming home. I hope heaven has a window you can watch your children grow and hear your message echo from below. And we ain't backing off or giving up, I'll preach what you taught me. They may have killed a soldier, but that man had an army. This is far more deep than some political parties. And you can't kill freedom, so this one is for Charlie. This ain't the America that all our parents love, but good men try to keep making it great. Pray that God will take care of us, the system is failing us, but good men die for the things that they say. And I can't just be quiet. So I gotta be brave, cause this is America. Lately it's scaring us, but one good man can change it all in a day.
Okay. Now. So someone made that song for Charlie. I think it was Tom McDonald. We need to repay our respect. Charlie was a great man. And he got Almo. But then someone just killed him. So, let's get back into the video for a couple of minutes, I guess. Okay. Okay. Extinctive. Okay. Let's see. Okay, there is a game that I've been liking to play. Okay, here it is. It's like, it doesn't look too fun, but it's actually kind of fun. You get to like drive trains, destroy them, cars. Do a little bit of brain for this. I'm not sure you guys. Not many people have ever really seen it, which is kind of sad. What is happening? Okay, we're not just gonna do it. Second kill one. Okay, I'd like to show you guys how to get that my favorite train and another one. So yeah, this one here, the crazy train, then the Delaware train. You have to get the dreamer badge. So this is the crazy train. Kind of like to go to this area and climb the hill. You don't have to do this, you just have to get to the area I'm getting to. Then you have to run over here. Now, then from here, you guys want to go in here, and you're just gonna want to run around like this. I do not know the exact path. You're just gonna have to run around until you find this right here. You can go back and just watch it again. But after you find this right here, then you're just gonna have to take a second, and this is gonna be the badge. And this is a train you're gonna get. It can be a train, and it can derail itself and turn into a car train. Those are wheels. Then it also can. Those are its train wheels. So basically, it just puts the car wheels in. You need it, and the steering wheel just go around. And that's why it's my favorite train, because it can just derail. But now as you look, you see it's closed. But you can't press it. Oh no, this has already opened. But yeah, that's how you can do it. Why is that so awesome satisfying? And one of the quickest ways to get these points here is if you can actually go around looking around the map, you find these chests, and there'll just be like hundreds of them. We're trying. Oh, okay. But that's it for this video. Bye. But before we go, remember, love Charlie.